how to use Google Translate for real-time conversations. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Want to learn how to use the conversation feature in the Google Translate app? I will guide you through it today. First, make sure you are logged in, just like I am. Below the text entry tab, you will see three icons: the camera icon, the conversation icon, and the transcribe icon. Tap on the conversation icon, which is next to the camera icon. At the bottom, you will see three options: English, Auto, and Italiano. If you want to speak in English, I will simply tap the English microphone icon. The app will then translate my speech to Italian. Conversely, if I tap the Italian microphone, it will translate my speech into English. By selecting the Auto option, I can speak in either language and the app will automatically translate it into the other language. So that's it. This is how you use the conversation feature in the Google Translate app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.